Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Jockey Gift Card online using your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your My Jockey Gift Card online, then open up a web browser of your choice. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.jockey.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you log into your jockey.com account, and once you're in, go ahead and select a product that you'd like to shop in your shopping cart. I've already selected a product and added it in my shopping cart, so let me click open it up. Go to the upper right hand corner and click open your shopping cart if you've done that as well. And now go ahead and review your order. Click on the checkout button after everything's okay and enter your shipping information on the next page. Also select your shipping method and click continue to payment. In the payment area, you can select one of your payment methods in the option, or if you want to redeem the product with a gift card, click on apply a Jockey gift card option at the top and click on add gift card. Now enter the amount that is available at the back of your gift card. Make sure to type it in correct, and once you do that, click on add a gift card button, and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card with jockey.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.